In today's video, I'm going to teach you Google Calendar, how to add or create a new event, schedule or edit a meeting. We'll start right from your browser. Go to calendar.google.com and make sure you're signed in to your Google account. On the top left, click the Create button to open a new event window. If you prefer, you can also click directly on a date and time slot in the calendar. That opens the same editor. Give your event a clear title so it's easy to recognize later. Something like team meeting, client call, or project review works well. Next, set the start and end date and time. If it's an all-day item, such as a holiday or reminder that doesn't need a specific time, toggle the all-day option to keep your schedule tidy. If you're planning a meeting, add your guests by clicking. Add guests and typing their email addresses, pressing Enter after each one. This makes it simple to share details and keep everyone on the same page. For where you'll meet, you have two choices. Click Add Google Meet video conferencing to generate a meeting link instantly, or type a physical location if you're meeting in person. Use the description box to include an agenda, notes, links, or files. Adding context here saves time later and helps guests come prepared. When everything looks right, click Save. If you added guests, you'll be prompted to send invitations. Choose Send to notify them right away. To edit an existing event, open Google Calendar, click the event, and then select the pencil icon to enter the full editor. From here, you can adjust the date or time, add or remove guests, update the description, change the location, and modify notifications. Click Save when you're done. You'll be asked how you want to send updates. To all guests, only to those added or removed, or not at all. Pick the option that matches your change. For reminders, open the event editor and click Add Notification. Choose how far in advance you want to be reminded, minutes, hours, or days, and whether you want a standard notification or an email. You can add more than one reminder if needed, for example, one a day before and another 10 minutes before. A few quick tips to work faster. You can drag and drop events on the calendar to change their time, and drag the bottom edge to adjust the duration. Color code your events to visually separate work, personal, or project categories. If this is a repeating meeting, use the Does Not Repeat drop-down to set a recurring schedule. And for online sessions, Google Meet makes it easy